Remember to like, subscribe, hit the bell, comment, share. Everything you do does help the channel. And if you want to help out a little more, you can head over to my Patreon, try to get yourself a mug or a sticker or even a tote bag. Link will be in the description. Hey everybody, how you doing today? I got a unboxing video for you. A pretty big one. I'm pretty excited about this. This is a big moment for me, a big Zippo for me. I just really love this piece, man, and I've been looking for this for a long time, and I had finally gotten it. So to have one now is just pretty awesome. So let's see what we got here. Okay, so I had to edit that out because there's a bunch of personal information on the box from me and the sender. I didn't want to put it in, so we just skip past that. I cut all the tape off, ripped all the labels off. We can continue. If I can get this open. It's a tight box. Oh, so we see we got foam all on all the sides, paper on top. Okay, this is all paper. Put that to the side. You can actually get rid of all this. Get it out of the way. So it's all bubble wrap. Looks good. Like that. And then it's gonna wrap in paper one more time. Okay. Alright, we got the box from the era. Should have a gold bottom. Yep, gold bottom. Zippo Niagara Falls used this box in the late 60s and early 70s. And this slim should be a 1972. I don't know yet, I haven't opened it. This Zippo is important to me because all my family's worked here. It's a staple in the town. It's employed the town, it's generated the town a lot of revenue and livable wages, and Algoma Steel is pretty cool, man. Everyone I know worked there basically. And this lighter is not near mint condition like the thing said. You know, there is some scuffs and scratches on it, but it's pretty good. It's pretty good. Let's see what we got here. Okay, no guarantee. No guarantee in this box. So the old guarantee is gone, which is fine. Alright, so let's take a look at the inside. Well, let's look at the bottom stamp first. Alright, 2 dashes. So I haven't actually checked the chart. I don't know. When I edit the video, I'll verify in here what that is, but I think that's 72 maybe. I don't know. So Algoma Steel. Everyone wondering what Algoma Steel is, what it does. Well, I'll tell you this. Algoma Steel has been supplying America's armor on their tanks and Humvees and everything they use armor on their armored vehicles. This steel plant has been supplying it for 60, 70, 80 years. Like, the steel plant's been supplying steel longer than that, but I think since the states started buying their armor from them. It's a very significant steel plant. I'm going to give this to my nephew one day to give to my brother. Well, sorry, not to give to my brother. For an honor of my brother, because my brother works at the steel plant now. So that should be good for him. This would mean more to my nephew than anybody else I know. So I'll give it to him one day. And let's take a look at the insert. So we got the Niagara Falls insert. Barely ever used or pulled out of this Zippo. You don't see a lot of up and down scratches like there should be. There is some, obviously. Front wheel has been struck sometimes. The wick looks like it's never been used. If someone was striking it, it's probably just... Okay, so I'm gonna take that flint out of there. The Zippo is never gonna get used or anything like that, so there's no point in leaving it in there to get hard. The cotton is all new, it seems, too. But I suspect that this is not the original wick. I highly suspect that. I just think this is one of those aftermarket ones. because if this was the original wick and it was unstruck and never used, it would still have aged, right? This is a newer this is a newer wick with no copper wire on it. That's all this is. I don't think this is all original. Even the felt in the bottom and the cotton inside, I have my suspicions about. But I don't care. That's not the point. I have the insert. I have the case. That's what I wanted. I have the box. It's definitely the original box and goes with it. Very cool lighter. This has been on my to get list for a very long time. I really wanted this Zippo. I live in this town and this Zippo is hard to come by because they didn't give them out all the time and they didn't give them out for decades and decades. It's not like it was a constant thing here. So to find them is pretty hard. I only paid $51 for this American, and for me it was worth it. The Zippo could be, you could say that this Niagara Falls Slim is worth a little higher. I could definitely sell this for more in my hometown just because people are looking for these and people want these. I never would sell it. This is mine for my collection forever. And you know what? I said I might not use it. You know what? Maybe I'll change my mind. Maybe I will bring it out for a few test runs here and there. It's not like it's brand new mint condition, so I don't think it'd do bad for it. And I got a slim insert I could throw in there so I wouldn't have to do anything with that one. But all in all, you know what would I say that I could sell this Zippo to anybody around the world as a fair price as? I'd say this Zippo is easily worth anywhere between $75 to $100 American. Easy. Just because good condition, box, everything like that. If it was mint condition, I'd say probably 125, 150. Don't forget though, now that's not, you're not going to find a 70s regular Joe Schmo American Slim that's going to sell for that, right? This is going to sell for that because it's Niagara Falls. But there is American Zippos that are that age of Slims that do sell for it just because of what they are and collectibles and this and that. This is just happens to be just a company Zippo, but it's worth it. It's worth that in my town too, right? The people want this in my town where I'm from. It's a well sought after Zippo, and it's a really cool piece of history. I really enjoyed it. I got a good deal on it. As far as I'm concerned, I paid less than what it was worth. It came through the eBay global shipping program. They keep you pretty updated and pretty safe with your stuff, but I wouldn't order anything from that because it's really expensive. It cost me an extra like $15 in shipping to get it when everyone else who ships me things, it just comes cheap, but whatever. You gotta watch your buyers when you're buying it on eBay. The guy was a really good guy who I dealt with for this. I'm not trying to say he was a bad guy or anything. Very nice person. And he was in Toledo, Ohio, and really nice people down there. I had a lot of friends in Ohio. So everything went good. The Zippo went good. I'm really happy with this. It's my birthday tomorrow, so I'm happy to get this too. You won't see this video for a few days. It'll be after my birthday when I post it. But this is the day I'm posting it, and this is when I got it. So everyone take care. I'll see you in the next one.